guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be making some ginger shots. First you're going to start off with some fresh ginger, 3 limes, and 3 oranges. You're also going to need some cayenne pepper, black pepper, and turmeric powder. You're just going to make sure that you wash everything, and now we're just going to peel. Some of the benefits of taking a ginger shot is providing powerful wellness support to soothe everyday digestive issues. It can also boost your immune system, help with nausea and upset stomach, and help support a balanced metabolism. Before consuming anything into your body, you want to make sure that you're doing your own personal research and make sure that this works for you.
I'm actually too young of a guy to stay home waiting for love. So tonight I'm gonna do it a single bit of, and that's party. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh no. You don't have to call. You don't gotta call. We gotta call.
Now we're just gonna juice everything.
So deep in your eyes, I touch on you more and more every time. When you leave, I'm begging you not to go. Call your name 2-3 times on the phone. Such a funny thing for me to try to explain. How I'm feeling and my pride is the one to blame. Cause I know I don't understand. Just how you love me.
So now I'm just gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and a few dashes of the cayenne powder. So now you can taste it, see if you want to add anything else to it. I kind of wanted mine a little bit stronger, so I just added a little bit more. I just added a dash of turmeric powder and a few dashes of black pepper. So now we're just gonna fill up our jars. I got these jars off of Amazon. They were super cheap.
You got me.
diamonds out of my wrist. No city clouded, how do I breathe? Move too fast, that's not my speed. Spend the night, you staying over. Ooh, you my designated roller. Ooh, you know where we stay sober. Ooh, I don't get this way with no one. Ooh, all I want is to love.
We got to the end of the video. Hope you guys liked and enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.